Ding dongs, marshmallow pies, snack cakes. Call these what you want. I'm sure you've had these at least once. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make these in just 5 minutes. And whether you've had these or not, you'll be in for a treat. So pop these in your bag, pack these in your lunchbox. These little cakes will make your snack time better. From one batter, we're going to make both cakes, so vanilla and chocolate. We're going to start by creaming together the butter, oil, and sugar just to break it down before we add the remaining wet ingredients. In goes the milk and 2 eggs. One is broken. Those are in fact 2 eggs though. You want to give these ingredients a good mix, and if you're new to my channel, hello there, welcome. Are you enjoying that snack cake? Subscribe and click that bell. Lots more delicious snacks are coming your way. Add the sifted dry ingredients and mix to combine. The full recipe will be in the description box. Do not overmix the batter. You want to mix just until that flour is fully combined. Bust out your spatula, scrape the bottom and the sides, and you should be left with this amazing pudding-like batter. This looks amazing. We're going to divide this batter between 2 bowls. You don't need a scale, you don't need a measuring cup, just eyeball it. She's pretty low maintenance, okay? To one batter, add some cocoa powder, which you do want to sift, okay? Unless the cocoa gods have blessed you with smooth cocoa, but chances are you're a normal person like all of us, and you're gonna have lumps. Add a splash of milk. By the way, I'm gonna say this again, okay? The recipe is in fact in the description box. Do not go eyeballing stuff like I do. Mix the batter well, do not overmix, and you should be left with this amazing chocolate-like pudding-like chocolate pudding-like batter. Transfer the batter in 2 piping bags, and we're going to pipe some mini cakes. You want to cut the smallest opening possible. That way you have more control. If you cut a big opening, I'm going to tell you the batter is just going to go everywhere. It's going to be a mess, honey. You want to use a non-stick pan, lightly buttered, and you want to leave enough space between each cake because these will spread out. Your flame should be on low. You want to cover your cakes and let these cook for about 4 or 5 minutes. Now, because we gotta wait 5 minutes, I have to show you my favorite mobile game. You're probably thinking another game, Emma. No, this one is the greatest of all time. I was so happy when Solitaire Grand Harvest reached out because I have literally been playing this game every night for the past 3 months. My day is so busy and I love this game because you can dip in and out of it even when you just have a few minutes to play. It really allows me to relax and unwind. It's a theme solitaire game based on harvesting your farm. With each level you complete, you can advance through a field and plant a new crop. Right now, I'm growing carrots, wheat, pumpkins. I'm ready for fall. As you move through the fields, you can uncover new crops and maps and cute characters. You start at the farm, then move to the mountains, the deserts, beaches. It takes you on a journey. The game really makes you think and develop a strategy on which cards to play first. It helps you train your brain through accomplishing thousands of challenging levels that have various features. And with the help of power-ups that you can win along the way, you can continue to progress in the game. As you progress, the levels do get slightly more challenging, but not in a frustrating kind of way, okay? You're still able to enjoy the game, have fun, and wind down. If you've never played this game before, definitely check it out. Like I said, it's a great game to play and to relax to. Use the link in my description box below to download Solitaire Grand Harvest for free today and start playing now. Around 4 or 5 minutes, your little cakes should be ready. You'll know they're ready when they're dry to the touch. Please do not overcook these. I'll leave more important tips on the website. Now, the easiest way to make these is actually not on the stove, but in the oven. If you get a large cookie sheet lined with some parchment paper, you can pipe these all at once and bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit for, again, 5 minutes. You're going to let these cool completely. These are small, so they'll cool pretty fast. In the meantime, we're going to make the marshmallow cream filling. This stuff is amazing. In a bowl, I have some marshmallow fluff, which I'm going to whip up with some heavy cream. Now, to be completely honest with you, I recommend you just use marshmallow fluff, so you don't even have to make the filling. The pure marshmallow fluff is what's going to give the snack cakes that iconic snack cake flavor. I did not have enough marshmallow fluff though, so I had to improvise by adding heavy cream. You do want to use marshmallow fluff though. Besides that iconic snack cake flavor, it's also going to make your snack cakes more stable. Fresh whipped cream goes bad after a few days, whereas marshmallow fluff is, it lasts forever. Well, maybe not forever, but it is shelf-stable. Add a dollop of marshmallow fluff to the center of a cake and sandwich it with another cake. This is pretty straightforward and simple. It might be a little bit tricky because marshmallow fluff can be sticky. I do like to clean the sides with a spatula, and these are delicious as is. If you want to have these like right now, go ahead, they're amazing. However, we are going to coat these in a chocolate shell. This is optional, but I do like to pop mine in the freezer just for about 10 minutes. They're just going to be easier to handle. You're going to dip each snack cake into your chocolate shell. I've shown you how to make this so many times before on the channel, so I'll just leave the recipe in the description box below. And the chocolate shell will lock in the moisture of your cake, so these will remain soft. Place these onto some parchment paper and allow that chocolate shell to harden. It shouldn't take more than a minute or two. I'm gonna toot my own horn here because these look amazing. These look like legit ding-dongs, but better. If this shot doesn't sell you on these, well, you'll have to make these and see for yourself. Put these in your lunchbox, bring these to work, have these on the go. You'll really enjoy these. These are soft, creamy, and have that amazing crunchy chocolate coating.